Hey everyone, welcome back to Lyra Tech. Today, we are taking a first look at the eAhora Romeo Pro 3 electric bike, a powerful machine designed for serious riders. It promises incredible speed, a huge range, and a rugged build to handle almost any terrain. Stick around as we break down what makes this e-bike stand out. Check the link in the description for the best price. First up, let's talk about the raw power and performance packed into the Romeo Pro 3. The eAhora Romeo Pro 3 is designed to deliver a high adrenaline riding experience with its immense motor power and an astonishing battery that promises very long distances. The Romeo Pro 3 absolutely dominates in power, boasting dual 3,000-watt motors that deliver a combined 6,000 watts of peak power and an incredible top speed of 52 miles per hour. Its high-capacity 60-volt, 80-amp-hour battery promises an astounding ideal range of up to 300 miles with pedal assist, ensuring you can ride for days without a recharge. You also get an upgraded air suspension system for a smoother, more controlled ride, complemented by 26-inch fat tires and powerful hydraulic disc brakes for superior stopping power. This chart clearly shows the eAhora Romeo Pro 3 delivers on its promise of extreme power and an exceptionally long-range ride. Moving on, let's look at the Romeo Pro 3's construction and what ownership might entail. This e-bike boasts a heavy-duty frame designed for stability and high load capacities, incorporating smart features, and comes with solid warranty support. The Romeo Pro 3 features a robust, reinforced frame designed to support up to 500 pounds, ensuring a stable and confident ride even with heavy loads or on rough roads. A full-color TFT display keeps you informed with real-time data, and app connectivity lets you monitor performance and adjust settings. Plus, there's a convenient USB charging port. With a price tag of just over $3,100, the Romeo Pro 3 offers an impressive feature set for its cost, especially considering the extreme power and range it delivers. Setup is made easy with 90% pre-assembly and a decent warranty. But remember to check local laws for high-speed e-bikes as regulations can vary significantly. Overall, the Romeo Pro 3 is built tough and offers smart features, but prospective buyers should carefully weigh the price and local regulations. The eAhora Romeo Pro 3 is undeniably a beast, delivering an extreme level of power and an incredible battery range that few e-bikes can match. Its robust construction and advanced suspension system are designed for comfort and control across diverse terrains, making it suitable for both demanding commutes and thrilling off-road excursions. While the high price tag and the necessity of checking local regulations for such a high-speed vehicle are important considerations, it clearly targets a niche of riders who prioritize top-tier performance and endurance. If you need an e-bike capable of almost anything, and you are prepared for the investment, the Romeo Pro 3 looks like a strong contender.